Welcome to Chaos and Cryptography. This is a continuation of the previous video. In the previous video, we have seen the definition of correlation. What is the correlation of an image? How to estimate the correlation of an image and the formula used for it. In this video, we will see a straightforward implementation of these formulae in Python. So here we are going to see how to find the column correlation of a given image. So here I am taking the cameraman.bmp as a test image. The column correlation function will evaluate the correlation of the given image. And here I am passing img as the parameter. So if you recall the previous video, we have four formulae to find the correlation. So the first formula is to find the average of the pixel values of a given column. So before that, please keep in mind that we have to select two adjacent columns. So here I have selected column 1 as the 0th column and column 2 as the first column. So first I am finding the pixel values and its average of column 1, and next I am finding the average of the pixel values in column 2. The second formula is to find dx. So here I am finding the dx for column 1 and next the dx for column 2. The third formula is to find the covariance. So here I am finding the covariance using the values evaluated above. So here I have obtained the covariance is equal to Zi by n. And finally we have the column correlation for the image using this particular formula. So this is a very straightforward implementation of the formula used to find correlation. The only thing that we have to keep in mind that we have to select two adjacent columns. So let's find the correlation. So here I have the test image and we see that the column correlation is 0.91. That is the correlation between the adjacent pixels between the columns is very high. That is, it is near 1. So let's change the columns. Say I give 200 and 201 and see again that we have 0.94 as a column correlation for the plane image. Now let's find the column correlation for an encrypted image. So I already have an encrypted image and I'm using that as a test image right now. So here we see the column correlation is minus 0.07. That means the correlation between the adjacent columns in an encrypted image is very low. That is, the correlation is totally distorted and the statistical properties cannot be obtained from this encrypted image. So one thing that we have to keep in mind in this coding is this part where we have the columns fixed and the rows are changing. So this is the most important part which will differentiate the column correlation, row correlation and diagonal correlation. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos from chaos and cryptography.